Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need iOS 16 or later, so update the phone now if you haven't. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Notifications. Make sure the notification history toggle is turned on. You also want to choose which apps are allowed to record deliveries. That prevents clutter and preserves privacy. Do this step first, because the history won't populate unless the feature is enabled. If you enable it now, subsequent swipes will show past alerts. Otherwise, you'll only see future notifications. Open Notification Center by swiping down from the top of the screen. On the lock screen, the same motion reveals alerts. Once there, look for notification history at the top and tap it to expand a chronological list of delivered items. You can scroll through, then tap any notification to jump back into the app or view details. Use the Clear or Manage options to remove items or tune delivery rules. This middle step is where you inspect, act on, or tidy notifications efficiently. To finish, clean up from notification history. Use Manage to silence repeat senders, set Deliver quietly, or adjust banner styles so new notifications behave better. If history shows nothing, make sure the toggle in Settings Notifications is still on, then restart your iPhone and recheck app permissions. If problems persist, update iOS again, sign out and back into your Apple ID, or reset settings as a last resort. That usually restores expected behavior when history refuses to populate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.